guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new vlog. It started yesterday, the 19th of July, which was a Friday when I knocked off from work, and we went to the mall with my baby sister when she went to go shop for a new phone. Congratulations to her. A big upgrade, I must say. And then what happened? I forgot. And then we went home. I think my battery died then. And then today, oh no. And then I had to attend an emergency. I couldn't vlog thereafter. Even today, I couldn't vlog. The previous clip, I had dressed up. I was going to attend that emergency, and now I'm back. I am preparing for tomorrow's lunch, because now I need to cook and then also attend the emergency. So yeah, guningi. When I was planning my return, I didn't think such things would happen, but you know, we plan, God decides. So yeah, I guess this is all God's plan. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Not quite officially back, but I'm back, and I hope this ride will be a bit smoother with some roughness, but yeah, it will allow me to be able to navigate everything, because I was overwhelmed, and I said, you know what, let me take a leave. But yeah, see you tomorrow on Sunday the 21st. me hype just before getting in that place. Before I get copyrighted. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new vlog that you've already seen. I haven't spoken through it. It is a hectic weekend, unplanned emergency that I had to attend. Got scammed, story for another day. But welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Itu Makatini. For those that I knew, welcome. For those that I knew, welcome, and I hope you stay. And for those that are passing by, hey, hope you enjoyed the snippet and you're gonna watch the rest. And for those that have been here, my day ones, ithandwa zami, ngiyabonga mina. Ngiyabonga mina. Yeah, guys, it's a Monday. I started my vlog on a Friday when I knocked off. It's a Monday, starting work at 8 o'clock. It's 25 to 8. We have a bit of a move, so that's why I'm a bit early. But for the very first time in my life, not feeling this Monday. You know, guys, Mondays are my days. I love Mondays. I dress up on Monday. Monday, I feel like it's a start of something new, you know, starting afresh, even though we have backlogs and all that. But Mondays are my days. But today, because of that move, it's making me nervous. But I pray that everything goes well, that my mood doesn't change. The song that I just played just hyped me. Yeah, guys. Corporate relationships aren't the easiest ever. But story for another day. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you have come this far, please show it some hearts, any color heart, and I'll reciprocate, you know, the love. Thank you so much, and bye.